Something is aging you right now. Not time, not genetics. Something you do every single day without even thinking about it. And the people around you can already see it on your face, but nobody will ever say it to you directly. They just notice. Silent habits. And every single one completely within your power to fix today. Habits 1 and 2. Poor posture. Slouching compresses your lungs, reduces oxygen, tightens your jaw, flattens your expression. Before you say a single word, your body has already told everyone you have given up. Fix 5 phone alarms today. Every time one rings, shoulders back, chest open, chin level, jaw relaxed, sleep debt. 7 to 8 hours is not luxury. It is when your body physically repairs your face. Without it, your skin dulls, your eyes fog. You age faster than you should. Fix no screens 30 minutes before bed. Journal. Read. Let your mind slow before your body follows. Habit 3 is physically carving permanent lines into your face every single day. Habits 3 and 4. Chronic complaining. Every frown, every tightened jaw, every squinted eye, repeated for years, gets carved permanently into your face. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Fix. Before every complaint, ask, "Is this in my control?" If yes, act. If no, accept. Eating on impulse. Eating out of boredom or stress tells your body one thing: no self-command. That lack of control leaks into your posture, your energy, your presence. Fix. 1 meal a day with full attention. No phone, no screen, just you and your food. Habit 5 is something you are probably doing right now, making you look permanently dissatisfied. Habits 5 and 6. Toxic social media. Endless scrolling trains your face into a permanent micro-expression of dissatisfaction. Narrowed eyes, tightened brow. Comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. Fix. 1 hour every day with your phone completely away. Walk. Read. Exist in reality. Shrinking body language, avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, hesitant steps. Everyone communicates. I do not belong here. Fix. 3 days of calm eye contact. Slower gestures. Stand completely still while listening. That stillness alone transforms how people experience your presence. 6 decisions. Made daily. 30 days from now. Take a photo. Compare it to today. The difference will not be luck. It will be discipline. And discipline is the highest form of self-respect you will ever practice. Subscribe for weekly Stoic wisdom every single week. See you in the next one.